Looking for a solution to cut down on cable costs without sacrificing your favorite TV shows and channels? The TV antenna might just be the answer you've been searching for. Let's start with the positives. First off, its indoor design makes it easy to install without the hassle of mounting it outside. Plus, it supports both HD and 4K resolution, ensuring that you get crystal clear picture quality for your viewing pleasure. With its signal booster, you can enjoy enhanced reception, bringing in more channels than ever before. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users have reported occasional signal interference, especially during inclement weather. Additionally, while the 1550 coax cable provides flexibility in placement, it may not be long enough for larger rooms or setups. Despite these drawbacks, the TV antenna remains a solid choice for anyone looking to break free from expensive cable subscriptions. Its affordable price point and impressive features make it a worthy investment for any household. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your TV viewing experience?